Okay, so this is not gonna be another Broncom fresh and body video, so sorry if you're in that group, but today I'm going to show you how to install Gleba on a MacBook. The problem is if I go open the Gleba download page, as you can see, there's only a Gleba Windows, and a Gleba Linux. There's no Mac build, and I don't. The source, it's closed source, so I cannot build it myself. So we're gonna have to do some emulation. Step 1, you have to do this command. Step 2, you need to install Brew. You can Google that. You need to, basically two things. You need to install Rosetta with this command, and then agree to license. Now you have Brew. Install Sicaro Gear, Homebrew, and you have to install Homebrew to do this. I don't know why Brew is not just part of macOS already, but it isn't, so Cask. And it might show this. It's going to be a little bit. You have to run this command. Oh, okay, that was just weird. It didn't just automatically scroll down. Yeah, I already installed it beforehand, so yeah, it shows this, but you didn't install it beforehand, so yeah. If you're gonna be a developer, Brew is gonna be kind of important, so you might need to want to install Homebrew. So now you can open. Now the next, you download the Windows zip file, not the Linux one, the Windows one. And now you can go in and just say you can just open your that, and now download the latest template. It's already been downloaded. Now you have to choose the engine, choose the latest one. So far it is going to be Wine Sicaro Gear 10.0-6. And then you hit create, and it has those options. So I'm gonna just uninstall Gleba real quick. So now if I have called Windows? I'm not searching that anymore. Okay, so I hate that. But then let's just open. Now if you open this, Windows. Now you could rename this whatever the hell you want. I'm just going to call this Gleba. So now we have the Gleba executable file. Obviously, just running gleba-godot.exe is not going to be very helpful. It doesn't actually do anything. Probably because it's not a macOS executable. So now you open Sicaro Gear Creator, Template, Engine, Latest, Create, Where Applications, gleba.app, Save. You can name it whatever. I just prefer to call it Gleba since that's the actual app name. Now you just wait. I'm going to cut the waiting out. Oh yeah, it will show a verifying screen. Okay. After some waiting, it actually shows this. It says empty. Now click launch. Browse. If you go to browse, you can now go into downloads. What Windows is supposed to be Gleba, and now click this guy. Yeah, wherever you downloaded that. Now this is fine. So, and you can also change the icon to the actual Gleba icon if you want. I don't want to do that. install software, move a folder, downloads, Gleba, choose. Okay. So now if I close configure, close the Carrier creator, I can now open Gleba. And now, beautiful, it works. And it works exactly as you'd expect it to be. Just note, on my first attempt, it did actually kind of crash after generating the world. I'm going to check. Okay, initially it does produce a black screen, black planet, but eventually it'll show up. So, yeah, as in that. The one thing I haven't figured out is how to scroll. Like, I've heard about the dragging, but all that middle mouse click does is this. And it's not even just G-plate style. So I can't just use basic my muscle memory for this one, but last I guess it's fine. I bet it's a coping, but I guess it's fine. So, yeah, this is how it's installing Gleba, and at this point, just normal operation. If it crashes, try to process a few more times. It might work. Or just open it a few more times. It's probably gonna work. Yeah. So, yeah. This is how you're installing Gleba. I'm going to end the video here.